วัสดีค่ะ Good evening and welcome to Bangkok, the city that never sleeps. Today in Bangkok Smiles, you will get to experience an exotic nighttime attraction in Bangkok. So everyone, it is now midnight. There is a place right here in the heart of Bangkok that is just coming to life. Let's have a look. Prawns, seashells, fish, and all sorts of seafood can be found on display here every night from midnight onwards. This is Bangkok Fish Market, situated in Soi Charoen Krung 58 of Bang Rak District. Bangkok Fish Market covers an area of 3.16 acres. It has been a trading ground for seafood for more than 50 years. Trusted by both fishermen and the public, the seafood prices here serve as guide prices for many places. Bangkok Fish Market was established to help fishermen sell seafood at fair prices. It is the largest wholesale market for seafood and has cheaper retail prices than other markets too. The atmosphere is very lively inside, and this market is divided into different zones. The area inside the fish market is divided into different zones, so it is best to plan what you want to buy beforehand. There are fish, crabs, prawns, and so much more. So if you know what you're looking for, you can go straight for those stalls. Now let's take a look at some giant grouper fish that just flew in from Pakistan. If you want to cook some boiled mussels or a spicy clam dish, you have to come to the seashell zone. This area is considered the seashell kingdom of Bangkok, as it provides a variety of seashells, as you can see. เดี๋ยวให้พี่ช่วยแนะนำได้ไหมคะว่าตรงนี้เนี่ยมีหอยชนิดไหนบ้าง
นี่หอยมันนี่มาจากอินเดีย
ค่ะ
นี่หอยแครงนี่มาจากสุราษฎร์
ค่ะ
แล้วก็หอยคู่นี่มาจากชลบุรี
มาจากทั่วทุกทิศเลยกลับมาที่หอยอันนี้นะคะเรียกว่าอะไรนะคะ
หอยมันครับ
หอยมันอันนี้คือมาจากอินเดียจริงๆเลยเหรอคะอ๋อแล้วเขาเอาไปทำอะไรได้บ้างคะอันนี้
เอาไปย่างเอาไปนึ่งเอาไปลวกได้
โลละเท่าไหร่คะอันนี้
ขายอยู่
100แล้วถ้าเทียบกับหอยแครง
อันนี้ขายอยู่150
So the cockles that you see here are from the southern part of Thailand, and this type of shellfish came all the way from India. Very big, that it's actually heavy. You are now looking at the shrimp zone. All of the shrimp that you see here came all the way from Bangkok's neighboring provinces. If you're in the fish market and haven't purchased anything, it is like you haven't officially visited this place yet. So now that we are near many fish stalls, it is time to buy some fish. Maybe tomorrow I'll make some peppered fish. The fish zone is alive with buyers that come from all over Bangkok and neighboring provinces to buy fish for their businesses. At the market, there are also several imported fish. The vendor said that huge squid here costs only 180 baht per kilogram. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but squid at this size, this quality, and this price simply can't resist buying. ขอโลนึงค่ะ นี่เป็นหมึกมาจากที่ไหนอะคะพี่
ระนองครับ
ระนอง
ครับ
ขอบคุณนะคะ This is my first time at the Bangkok Fish Market. Even though the atmosphere is a bit hectic, but it is always fun to try something new. This lively atmosphere starts around midnight and goes on until about 6 o'clock in the morning. Tourists who buy fresh seafood from this market would not need to worry about cooking. You can walk into one of the restaurants here and ask them to prepare your chosen menu. And just like that, you can enjoy your personally picked fresh seafood from the largest seafood market in Bangkok. In the future, this market will be transformed into a facility that caters to tourists, just like any seafood market around the world. However, experiencing the hectic, traditional fisherman way of life is considered one of Bangkok's charms that should not be missed. Bangkok Fish Market is located on Soi Jaron Grung 58. Although this area suffers from traffic jams in the evenings, I can guarantee you won't have that problem during the market's operating hours. In the early morning, I recommend the following transportation options. BTS to Sapan Taksin Station, followed by bus or walking 2 bus stops further. Chao Phraya Express Boat to Sathon Pier, followed by bus or walking 2 bus stops further. And there are several bus services available. Share your opinion with Bangkok Smiles and tell us what kind of seafood you would like to buy at Bangkok Fish Market the most and why. Let us know your answer on our Facebook page, Bangkok Smiles 2018. Not only that Bangkok is filled with many entertaining attractions, it is also very rich in culture. Can't wait to show you more of this very incredible city. So I hope to see you again next time. But as for today, สวัสดีค่ะ